Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, here we go. 2199, 2800. That's Robo-Lions and the Mighty Penguin. Right up to the Mighty Look. The line 11 is not on the field again. They are still struggling, but they promise to come back strong. Bovine intervention.
We go first.
37 to 30. So red will stay late, but blue's trying to go the last few in before the wow, nice little tie.
Oh!
Here comes the red side. Robo-Lions put a spin on. Not sure what they were trying to shake loose, but one thing they didn't shake loose was a whole lot of people. They just dropped up and in. Penguins jamming through the middle, while the Lions are playing offense and getting the job done. There goes another set. They're already about 95% as best I can tell. Down here in blue, that's 686. They've got a machine going as well. Not quite as accurate, but I think they carry more. And quantity has a quality of its own. That was almost everyone, maybe 5 missed.
Walkabout.
Take a shot up there, she's gone hot. Robo-Lions are the 3 human players taking shots. So it was 118 to 96. This is actually pretty close. Penguins going to put a few in. Another couple of shots coming from the human players. And Robo-Lions fires again. It is 118 to 108. That is really good. This is a close match. 21 seconds now for the blue one as both teams go by intervention and AKA Robo-Lions take their shots. We're coming down to the final of the round endgame. If you look behind the Robo-Lions, you can see the coordination between the 3 teams, and here it comes, and there they go. They're putting up. They're looking to close a big gap of 2 robots and 3 shooters. Blue is playing runaway. Let's see if we can stay ahead.
Oh!
They're doing very well here. There are extra ranking points available.